All right, listen up, tourism players and exhibitors. You know very well how every event, how every expo comes with the same old struggle. Visitors wandering around like they are lost in like one Utama shopping center parking lot, and exhibitors hoping their brochures don't end up as what nasi lemak bungkus or even in the dustbin. So enter the 1WS app. 1WS app, the most underrated smart networking app. You probably never heard of it, but trust me, after watching this video, you wonder how you survive without it. And the best part, you don't even need to download it. Yes, no need download, no app store, no endless updates, no what, no more space, ma. So here's the deal. Exhibitors, you spend thousands of ringgit setting up your booth rental, staff allowance, leaflets, printing leaflets, big banner, or LED screen, or maybe even free goodies, or what? And what happened? Visitors cannot remember your name, your product, or worse, the moment they leave the exhibition hall, they don't remember you. They leave without even scanning your QR code. And visitors, you walking around collecting all the brochures, leaflet, pamphlets like it's back to school season, only to chuck them in the dustbin at home. And because what? Because it's too smart in your room, in your house, right? So well, with 1WS, all that chaos finito ends. Visitors just scan and boom, all your info is instantly accessible. No download, no install, no updates, and no excuses. No excuses. And it's seamless getting all the information, but for networking. So let me show you how this magic works. Trust me, by end of this demo, you will tupukau. So let's dive in and see how 1WS is about to change the way we connect forever. Okay, let's go to the dashboard, to the screen. So if you receive or if you scan the events link, you can see all the details about the link. Yeah, for example, for exhibitor, there's a special link, the exhibitor pass. So you just click the reserve, all then you click these reservations. You just fill in your name, your company, your email, your phone number, and you book. So when you click the button, the booking button, you will receive an email. This is your email, yeah. The first email that you receive. Check your email. If it's not there, it's probably in the spam button, yeah, spam button. So if you receive this, go and check to there are two buttons here. The details are here. One is sign up, which you need to do, but I'm going to show you how the tickets, how does it look, how does the ticket looks like, yeah. So if you click the print ticket, okay, there are two sections. On the left, you see here, the exhibitor pass. This is the exhibitor pass. You can put it, you can print it, you can put it on the lanyard. In fact, you can print this on one page from the front and the back. So the exhibitor pass probably you can put it in the front page, in the front lanyard, where the secretariat, the event secretariat can scan and check in. The second one, on the one workspace, can you see this one workspace logo? Okay, this is where the visitors, the prospect or the clients can scan and to collect your contact. Your contact means your brochures, your leaflets, your information, your promotion. Right? There's a two portion of it. So okay. So back to the email. So you have covered the print ticket, the print ticket. Now let's go to sign up. You need to register. If you have not registered, you need to register. How do you register? You just fill in the form, the name, your mobile number, your email address, your password, agree, and you declare that you are not a robot, and register. So once you register, you will receive another email. Yeah. So how does it make the email look like? You have signed up. Thank you for your sign up for one WS, one workspace, and your account is under verification, because the secretariat, the administrator will vet whether you are the right participants, the right participant, the right register, all right? So it will take roughly about 1 to 24 hours. We try our best to speed up, because this has to be done manually. It has to be done manually, all right? So you have to check maybe 1 hour or 2 hours. So check again your email. Then you will receive, if it's approved, you will receive another email that look like this. Just to remind you, if you have not received any email, please check at your spam folder and make sure that it's not spam. Okay, so now you have received the third email that will say congratulations, thank you for your sign up, and you activate your accounts. So how do you activate your account? You check in, you log in again, make sure you remember your password, then you will be directed to this dashboard. So don't worry, because this dashboard will show, as this is a whole, I mean, this app is a huge app. It has so many functions, but don't worry, don't be overwhelmed. I'm going to show you one by one. But first, you can see here the dashboard. The dashboard comprises of projects, the contact, the 1WS works, the connection, the upcoming, all kind of things, all here. You will be amazed at what can you do with these apps. All right. First thing first. All right. First thing first, you can see contact. Can you see contact here? Click contact. So what can you see here? View my profile or update. So if you have not filled in yet, please update. Click the update profile and fill in all the form. Your name, your company's name, your company, and mobile, company's category, or your website, your address, and also you will mention your company's name, say the best company ever, something like that. Whatever you can, so many, that's unlimited. As company, I just give you some sample, yeah. And you can choose your logo. Okay, you can check your logo here. You can just put in any logo and update. All right, update. So okay, so what happened is your prospect, your visitors can be able to scan. How do they scan? Okay, you can see here there's a scan button here. There's a scan QR code. I mean, there's a QR code here. Please print this QR code. Okay, how do you print it? You just drag it here and you can print it. That's it. All right. Print it, put it in your booth, exhibition booth, or anywhere, or in your name card or whatever. So once they print and once they scan, they'll be able to see your information, be able to get your information, your latest information. How do they do that? Okay, in this case, they will see my profile. I mean, your profile. So here, you're going to see here, your profile, your email address, your WhatsApp number, your email, your company, whatever you see. You see here the website, the phone number, what the what they call the about company. Now you can create so many brochures, so many promotion, whatever. You can upload it, and they will see here. All right. Okay. For example, the promotion, like you have a special offer during the event, so they can see. They can just click and can see. Oh, there's a 10% discount. So this is example. How do you do that? Connect. You can connect that and contact you again. So basically, all you need is just to encourage your visitors, your prospect to scan this, and automatically you can upload so as many possible. Upload the latest informations on that, and they will receive the information, the latest information, latest promotion, latest campaign. Very simple. All right? The QR code and encourage them to scan.
How do I connect with 1WS Marketplace? Step 1. Log into www.1ws.app. If you have not yet registered, click the registration button, and within a few clicks you are there. It will take 5 to 60 minutes to activate your account because we are 100% verified that you are a fit to our network. Step 2. Log into your account. Once you log in for the first time, go to my contact page and update your current profile. It will help our community to understand your products and services and do the right connect. Step 3. Now you are ready to explore our marketplace. Go to Connect icon available on home page, where you can find many business contacts with multiple filter options. If you need to learn more about their business, click on the person name. It will open their business profile. Step 4. Now you are ready to connect them. Click the Connect button. From these simple few steps, you are able to get connected with the global marketplace. Please note, daily there are new business connections getting on board to 1WS Marketplace. Don't forget to look back and connect them to your business and be up to date. There are many other business solutions available on 1WS to help your business grow.
I hope you can get a hold of it. And please do that by yourself, step by step. It's very simple. If you can't do that, probably you'll let me know. I will get my secretary to assist you. To assist you on that. So I hope that you can find these apps benefit to you and benefit to your company, and you can be able to get all the information from the prospect, and you'll be able to update them. It's just like a good what do you call data for you to follow up your clients, your prospect. All right.